Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can connect Shopify store to YouTube. So connecting your Shopify store to YouTube increases your product visibility and reach by tapping into YouTube's vast audience. So it also provides a seamless shopping experience, allowing viewers to purchase directly from your videos. And additionally, you can track performance and optimize your marketing strategies using analytics from both platforms. Now, to connect your Shopify store to YouTube, you just need to go and log in with your account on Shopify and then go to Dashboard. Now, go to Apps and click on Add Apps. And from here, click on Shopify App Store at the bottom. And from here, as you can see, you will now go to Shopify App Store. As you can see, you will get the apps right here. Go to the search box and type in Google and YouTube. So you need to make sure that you get the correct or the true app right here. I'll click on this Google and YouTube. And as you can see here on the developer, you must make sure that it is actually Google LLC. And once done, click on install button. Then you will now go to the next page wherein you just have to again click on the install button right here. So you need to access, and then once you've done, next page here is going to set up your account in Google and YouTube app. So basically, you just have to complete the details. You can watch the video right here if you're going to scroll down. All right, Shopify merchants using this Google. Drive sales and reach more customers, show your products on Google, and reach even more customers and manage your products directly through Shopify. So just have to connect your email ad right here. So I'm going to click continue and then click on allow. So once you allowed your account, then you'll now go to this page where you need to set up the Google and YouTube app. So basically, as you can see, my account is now connected and I'm starting to customize and edit some of the info regarding on my Shopify. So here we have some list that you need to complete. You need to have the valid payment method and then create an online store is the next. So basically, you can just click on it and follow all the instructions here, and it will show you this page wherein the preference you can add the title and meta description. You can add some additional information on your Shopify store. Basically, for example, I can name this. So you can type this on your settings, homepage title, and the description. So this is just an example. All right, so you can also add your image right here, social sharing image. So just an example, I'm going to add this one. And then you can set up Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, password protection right there. So if you're going to save right here, right, and going back to the setting and refresh it, let's see if we just connect the so as you can see here, if we're going to see it, so we need to remove the password. So basically, if we go back to the settings, just delete this one. We will try to save this, right, and then go back to the settings and refresh it. Right, so as you can see here, I can't actually delete or remove my password because I'm on a free plan. So basically, just have to subscribe in a plan to access this feature right over here. So once you have just removed your password, you can now go and go to the next step right here, right? So you don't have any options there. So next is add a refund policy in terms of service, and then also you can add this one here, navigation menu, and then confirm that you've added the contact information on your online store. So here, Google will check your account to ensure a high level and trust and safety for customers. So once complete, avoid making unnecessary changes to this checklist. Once you've done this one, you will need to connect a Google Merchant Center account. So if you have the Google Merchant account, you just need to enter right here and connect. Or if you don't have this one yet, just click on the create new button right here. So it's easy and simple to create a merchant account, and you just need to verify. So you just need to enter your phone number, and you will get a 6-digit code by text message or voice, and just click on get mode. And then from here, your product feed settings, product sync settings, target country and language, you just need to set up that, and shipping settings, the conversion tracking. Next is the terms and condition, and check this box right here. And once done, click on complete setup. So that's how you basically set up your account to connect Google and YouTube with your Shopify store. So basically, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions here. So about free listing on Google, as you can see, this program provided by Google Merchant Center allows buyers to see products sold from your store on various Google services. So participate in this program is free. So Google Shopping Tab. The Google Shopping Tab is one of the Google services that your products may appear on. When you sync your products to Google Merchant Center, they are available to shown on Google Shopping Tab, where buyers see your products. So as you can see, again, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Shopify and get more customers and also grow your business. So that's how you basically connect with the Shopify and the YouTube. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.